How to save ChatGPT's conversation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and open www.chatgpt.com. Then click on two lines at the top left corner of your browser. Click on any one of the article that you have searched in ChatGPT. Tap and hold on to it and choose the option of download link from this menu. After that, shortly the file will be downloaded. Once you click on open beside it, you will be able to view the file now offline. So that's it. That is how easily you can save ChatGPT's conversation. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.